Do you know what we're gonna do tomorrow? No? Do you wanna know what we're gonna do tomorrow? Yeah, okay. So, tomorrow the plan is... Come on. We're actually gonna hike up that mountain. It's quite high, quite steep, and it will take quite time. It's like 1,600 or 300 maybe, I don't know, not sure. We can add it in here. Yeah. But the question is, do you want to follow up the mountain? Yeah, you want? I'd say we just clap to the mountain. You want a high five to the mountain? See some visuals? No? You want to do that? Shall we do that? Okay. Hey, I forgot something. Oh damn, we actually forgot something, come on. You always gotta have a photo lens so you can take like good photos like this one, and this one, and this one. Okay, you want hand back? Yeah, let's do that. You there? You there? Yeah, you are. So, I'm here with my girlfriend Amanda.
Hi.
We are at the beginning of a very long hike up this mountain. So we're gonna head up, have some fun. It's nice weather. It will take a few hours, but yeah. Visuals.
On our way to Puig Campana. We're about 1.5 kilometers away from the top. The thing is, it's not really, the distance is not very long, but it takes a bit because the inclination is quite steep. But it's a good hike though. It's a good trail, clear trail, easy to follow, and nice one.
Who are you?
You're right, pal. I'm the hanging guardian of the forest, I am. The direction is that way. Come along, Amanda.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah, let's go then. I'm gonna stay here. I'll wait for you when you come back.
See you later.
Ciao.
So we made it.
We did, in the company of a new Scotsman.
Billy. Yeah.
Billy the Scot. We put ourselves up the quite dangerous part, actually.
Yeah, the slippery part.
The question is if Billy has a message to his waiting wife.
Just about to.
He's waiting in the car.
What do you think about the hike, Amanda?
It was really nice.
Exhausting.
Part of it.
A part of it, like getting there. So Billy, what do you make of the views?
The views are stupendo, I think would be the local way of saying.
Yeah.
Stupendo. Fantastic.
So what do you rate it?
11 out of 10, I think they say these days, isn't it?
Yeah, that's quite a decent score, that.
Yeah, it's not too difficult for an old man, but it's challenging enough.
Yeah. Well done, good work.
Gracias. Now I must hobble off home.
Good luck.
Ciao, ciao.
Have a good time.
Take care, everyone.
Likewise. Welcome to this episode of Cooking with Mandy Pandy. What have
Here
you
we
brought?
have some water.
Water?
It's very important to drink a lot.
That's a decent...
When it's warm,
Yeah, that's a good tip.
when you hike,
Yeah.
when you're dying.
We want to stay hydrated?
Yes.
Yeah,
Yes.
good. Okay, next.
This is tuna, I think.
That's correct.
Yes. You can have it on pasta salad.
Woohoo!
Woohoo! What is that?
Tomato sauce.
And we have some...
That's olives. That's for snacks. We can use that when we go down.
Okay.
There's 2 boxes of pasta in.
Yes,
Yeah.
of course. One more. Tuna.
What's this bus all about? Ah, there's a buzzing.
Oh, look what I found.
What did you find?
1 cent.
Whoa!
Oh my god, I'm rich now.
That's a lucky cent.
Marcus, reached the top. Finally here. Made it.
Well done.
Amanda, we made it. Well done. 3 hours 16 minutes. We made it to the top. Did you enjoy this journey? You did. Oh yeah, we did too. Or did we?
No.
Some parts.
Yes, we did.
We did enjoy it. So I say we eat a bit, head down, rest, drink some soda, relax.
Coca-Cola Zero.
Coca-Cola Zero.
With some
And,
lemon.
Yeah. Well done. Well done. Then we shall see each other in a moment. Peace.
Fucking hike is over and I'm gonna enjoy my pizza.
So bugger off, you bastards!
Subscribe as such.
Like, subscribe, leave a comment. Thanks guys! Var ligger landet där man böjer bananerna? Är det samma land där de bor, indianerna? 12,5 kilometer.
Sås. Det är skitbra tillfälle.